Hey y'all, it's marqueA2. Got myself an Arduino starter kit. Gonna start doing the projects that came in the book. Started with the LED circuit, and let's see if I've got everything. I tested it already. I know it works, but if everything's wired correctly here, I've got red wire to the positive rail there, black to ground, etc. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Right there. Yeah, that. Yep, there we go. The resistors, the light blue with the banding, that's a 220 ohm resistor, which I guess is what is required. I don't quite understand Ohm's law yet, but I'll get it into my brain. Followed by a, so let's see here. Can I get my finger in there? Yeah. Resistor connected to a button, which is connected to a little red bit of wire there, the LED, positive and negative ends, and then the LED has a, I couldn't find any black wire in the kit, so I used the dark blue. It works for me. To ground, which, and then grounds back into the Uno, and when I push the button, it lights up. So I am on my way to learning electronics with the Arduino, I guess. I do know a little bit about Sketch already. I've been reading a lot about that, so I'll be playing around with this and seeing if I can get, you know, the Blink scripts and all that other jazz to go. I have plans for things that I want to see and make and do. Let's see. I guess that's it for now. Yeah, I got myself a little button to play with here, and I'm gonna rewire this and do the next one, maybe 2 or 3 more before I end out for the night. We'll see what's what, but yeah, pretty rock and roll. marqueA2 out.